Today I'll be making misoyaki onigiri. The sweet and savory miso glaze makes these simple rice bowls so delicious. Try them for a quick snack or light meal.
Hi, I'm Julie, your guide to easy Japanese cooking here at Chef J Cooks.
For today's recipe, you will need 2 servings of cooked Japanese rice, 1 tablespoon of mirin, 1 tablespoon of miso paste. Step 1. Mix the miso paste and mirin in a small bowl until smooth. Grab a copy of my new ebook from Japan with Flavor Vegetarian, featuring over 80 easy vegetarian dishes for everyday cooking. Go to shop.chefjcooks.com. Step 2. Wet your hands with water. Place 1 serving of rice in your hand and gently press it into a round or triangle shape using your palms and fingers. Step 3. Line a baking tray with parchment paper. Place the rice balls on the tray and spread the miso sauce on the top. Grill at 150 degrees for 5 to 7 minutes until the surface turns golden. Serve warm and enjoy this savory grilled rice bowl. I hope you enjoy this miso flavored yaki onigiri.
いただきます。ごちそうさまでした。Thanks for watching, and if you enjoyed this video, please like, comment, and subscribe.